Baila conmigo bajo la luna.
Hey yo, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I do a surprise at home. Can you already see you're so sleepy and the burp is everything you're so I'm gonna be showing you the tips and the product that I use to get a small surprise at home. So sleepy, well smooth and well lined up as well. You don't want your burp to be longer and so much shorter. Oh no. So relax and sit back and let's go do it. So yo, I'm out from the shower and my hair is fully clean, well detangled, deeply clean. I go straight to blow dryer because it's not fully dried up. There's still a little bit of water and it's still wet. So I need to just go straight to do all of them. And I need to show you the product that I use on my hair. I need to show you the few products that I use on my hair. For shampoo, I use this Laura's Berries on my hair. This is so good on my hair. I love it for my hair. The second product, I use this olive oil creamy olive shampoo. This very one is what I use again on my hair because I just want my hair to look well clean and well shampooed. The last one, I use this replenishing conditioner on my hair just to remove the excess product that I'll be adding on my hair. This very one.
Concrete drains where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythm.
I use this my heat protector on my hair. I need to just add just a little bit of this heat protector on my hair just to protect my hair from heat damage from the flat iron. Just a little bit, y'all. With this center part, but use this band. The flat iron I'm gonna be using this one is 2-in-1. This coils and also straighten. Love to hold it so tight and bring it downwards this way. I cannot set the back of my hair properly. I'm just taking it in sections. Can you see, y'all? Oh my god. My hair was almost longer, close to my neck again, so I went to go shopping. To go trim it. And right now it looks well better because this is what we call bob. Not because before it wasn't that bob. Some were longer and some were shorter, but right now they're in the same length. I love this one so much here. This is what I wanted.
Fuego, nuestra canción.
So I'm done with the back here, and now I need to do the front side.
Soy arena, oh so bright. Baila conmigo toda.
I need to just do it center part here. I don't want to do side part today.
El ritmo suena. Can you feel? Move your body, it's so real. Vuélvete loco, don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo, I'll show you how. Fuego en el aire, burning high. Feel the heat bajo el sky. Baila,
This is the perfect secret that I've ever done here because this well sleepy and I love it so much. Yeah, can you see the final look here? This is the perfect one. Oh yeah. The final product I'm gonna be using here, this coconut oil, just to make it well sleepy but shiny. You already know. So I'm gonna just add just a little bit and just dab it on my hair and give you that final look, that sleepy that I want. This is the bob here. This is the bob. The bouncy here, can you see it? So bouncy, and this is the perfect one.
Stacks taller than the skyline, touch the clouds. Chain so heavy.
This is the end of my surprise at home. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. And catch you on my next one. Love ya.